Hey guys, what's going on? This is good morning. This is Doug at Douglas's Model Garage's videos. Right now, my shop cat is doing whatever, licorice. Um, just want to show you the completion build on the Pan Am right here, Boeing 707. I mean 747, by Academy and Minicraft. One thing I did notice once it was clear coated and decaled was the decals seem to be a lot lighter than what's in the box. What shows on the box there shows a dark blue decal. These are like a light blue. So, but it's all cool. I mean, came out good. And hope you guys enjoyed this non automotive build. And um, I'm actually thinking about throwing a plane kit into the rotation of my videos, and hope you guys kind of like that idea. And hey, Bubba, good morning. What's going on? Shop cat came in? You're late. Bubba, licorice. Hey, buddy. Buddy, you was late. Yeah, I started the video a few minutes ago. And, you didn't show up. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. And, me and the shop cat here, licorice, will, get on to our next project. Alright, you have a good one. Bye.